Want to know how to enable and use Siri on your Apple Watch? By doing this, you can ask questions, set reminders, or control your watch using just your voice. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Siri, then tap Listen for. Select Siri or Hey Siri. Or Hey Siri. Now go back. Enable Raise to speak. With this enabled, simply raise your Apple Watch towards your mouth and start speaking your request after the screen wakes. Now turn on the Press Digital Crown toggle. To use Siri, press and hold the digital crown until you see the listening indicator, then speak your request. Here you can see Siri history. If you scroll down a little bit, you can change Siri language, Siri voice. If you go down, you will get more Siri features. And this is how you can enable and use Siri on your Apple Watch. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.